municipality, which was also celebrating its National Day. The Union Jack flying over Mogadishu was about to be hauled down when these pictures were taken. 10 years of British administration in what was formerly Italian Somaliland were over, and the inhabitants of Mogadishu, the capital, now awaited the return of the Italians, who are to administer the territory under United Nations supervision. In another 10 years' time, the Somalis hope to become an independent state. An exchange of military courtesies in a parade ground ceremonial marked the handing over of British authority. Large numbers of locals watched the proceedings as the Italian Guard came to a halt facing the British troops. For the rest, it was a case of lowering the Union Jack for the last time and of hoisting the Italian flag. What the Somalis feel about the change is not apparent, but no doubt their chief concern is to make as rapid progress as possible towards independence. Mr. Taylor of Longview, Washington,